The surgeon told me all sorts of crazy things that happened while I was gone. You teaming up with the surgeon to fight Sir Dadadu using Josh? Sounds like something straight out of a dream. Did that really happen? Or even are both of them now? I've never had so many questions that needed answering before. The sooner we arrive at our station, the sooner I can get my answers.
Why'd the train stop?
Attention, all beautiful citizens of my facility. A dangerous human has recently escaped containment. We are offering a bounty of 10 lollipops for their apprehension. They are wanted dead or alive. They will claim to be in search of their child. Do not fall for their pleas. They are liars. The new reclamation team has been dispatched. Do not interfere with their duties, or you will be severely prosecuted. Have a fantastic day, Father out.
That sounds an awful lot like you. But why? I thought you were working together. We can't have you come with us. They'll destroy you on sight. Alright, here's what we'll do. There is one final station between here and the surgeon's office, which is the old clinic. We'll drop you off there. The back door of the clinic should lead you straight to the back door of the tower where the surgeon is. The office is in one of the top floors. We can then use all of the equipment there to secretly locate your children without the surgeon knowing. Does that sound like a plan? Just make your way through the clinic and meet back with me in the tower.